You can order the ignition coils used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Remove the engine cover. You can now see the location of the ignition coils. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can order the ignition coils used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You can then screw the bolt back in using a ratchet. Reconnect the ignition coil. You can now repeat the process on the other ignition coils. Put the engine cover back on. Operation complete.